friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn scale transition. This transition is an used for an animation. The scale uh, is an image that will resize an image to small to bigger size or bigger to smaller size. If we apply in the mobile application, then it animation will be look very good. So let's start with an example. So this is an example. I have created this list view uh, having images. So when I click on this image, will open. If I click on this image, it will open by scale. The animation looks very good. So let's look at the code how to implement this. Before starting explanation, I will please subscribe my channel and please like this video and share this video to your friends and comment me your feedback. So this is the stack layout. I have added a list view in stack layout which have image and label. I have created class having ID, image and title property. I also set the value to the class. So it's very easy. You can pass value to the item source, so it will populate all the data with list view. So when you click on the list view item, so it will go to the page and show only that image. So how it will work? In this I am using it is not here. I'm using Xamarin latest version, so it is allowing me to use shell. Otherwise you can use navigation page. In navigation page you can easily pass the parameter by using new and class name by initializing the class. So in the shell we have to pass parameter like this is the page name. Page name will come from the routing. Here you have to register. Here you have to register the page. So what the name given in this page registration, you have to use same name in the shell. So it will redirect to that page and pass ID in a query. In list in view page, I have added this query property. This is ID and this is ID. This ID will use in the URL. This ID should be same as this and this ID should be same as property. Then after that I have used scaling method. So in this scaling method I have get the data by that will match with the ID that passing the parameter. Then get that image and set that image to the image source. Then I have scaled the whole page. This is in this page I have added grid. Under grid, this is a frame and this is the image having opacity. For example, this is an image. Per that, this is an image. These are two different images. This is image having opacity and this is the image doesn't have opacity, and it will add in same row. After that, label for title and description, and having label for this heading 1, description and box view. So the main control is grid. I am scaling this grid control. So I first store that grid scale in a variable and then scale to uh, uh, 10 means it will increase the size to the scale 10. So this is a double scale, which means it is a absolute scale factor scale. So if you pass 10, it will increase the size of the grid control, and what should be the speed of the scale. After that, scale to a original position. So we have already stored the original position in the variable, so use that variable, and what should be the speed. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any query, please ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friend. Thank you.